Welcome to AV number 4. Actually, we have completed this poem, but let us start with another Marathi version of the same poem. What does poet want to tell us? Have you earned your tomorrow? ही जी कविता आहे ही एडगर गेस्ट नावाच्या लेखकाची अतिशय सुंदर अशी कविता आहे. या कवितेच्या माध्यमातून कवीने अनेक प्रश्न आपल्या वाचकांसमोर मांडलेले आहेत आणि ह्या कवितेतले जे तू आहे यू हॅव यू अर्न टुमॉरो हॅव यू अर्न युअर टुमॉरो यू हा जो यू आहे हे वाचकाला उद्देशून आहे आणि तो आणि ती ही आपल्या आयुष्यातील अनोळखी व्यक्ती आपल्याला आयुष्याच्या प्रवासात भेटणाऱ्या अनेकांपैकी एक आहे. कवितेच्या सुरुवातीला तुम्हाला भेटून आज कोणाला आनंद झाला का असं कवी विचारतो. दिवसाच्या अखेरीस तुमच्या एखाद्या प्रेमळ शब्दामुळे किंवा एखाद्या कृतीमुळे कृतज्ञ होऊन एखाद्या व्यक्तीने तुमची आठवण काढली असेल का कवी विचारतो. तुमच्याकडे संकोच करीत मदतीच्या अपेक्षेने असलेल्या एखाद्या मित्राचे तुम्ही आनंदाने स्वागत केलेत का का त्याला किंवा तिला काही हवे आहे हे लक्षात न आल्याने नाटक करत फक्त एक ओझरता हॅलो करून आपल्या वाटेने तुम्ही निघून गेलात. आज तुम्ही एखाद्याशी स्वार्थीपणाने आणि बेपर्वाईने वागलात की तुमच्या चांगल्या कृत्यामुळे आज एखादी व्यक्ती तुमच्याविषयी खरोखर कृतज्ञ आहे. कवी पुढे विचारतो, आज दिवसभरात एखाद्या एकट्या मनुष्याला मदत केली आहे असे तुम्ही प्रामाणिकपणे सांगू शकता का. आपल्या वेगळ्या आयुष्यात अनेकांना आपल्या मदतीची गरज आहे हे लक्षात येऊनसुद्धा एखाद्याला अशी आगंतुक मदत करण्यासाठी कित्येकदा आपल्याकडे संयम नसतो, वेळ नसतो. आपण स्वतःहून कुठलाही मदत करायला जात नाही. तुम्ही केलेल्या लहानशा मदतीमुळे तुमच्या शब्दांमुळे एखाद्या अनोळखी व्यक्ती आज खुश झाली आहे का. एखाद्या निराश होऊ घातलेल्या व्यक्तीच्या मनात पुन्हा आशा जागृत करण्यासाठी तुम्ही थोडा वेळ काढला आहे का. शेवटच्या कडव्यात आजचा दिवस तुम्ही कसा घालवलात ते कवी विचारतो. आजचा दिवस तुम्ही व्यर्थ घालवलात की गमावलात. चांगल्या प्रकारे व्यतीत केलात की आज काही विशेष केलेच नाही. आज तुम्ही एखाद्याच्या चेहऱ्यावर हसू फुलवलेत की त्याच्याकडे दुर्लक्ष करून त्याची उपेक्षा करून त्याचे मन उदास केलेत. आज झोपायला जाण्यापूर्वी ज्या प्रकारे आजचा दिवस तुम्ही व्यतीत केलात ते पाहता जगण्यासाठी आणखी एक दिवस देव तुम्हाला भेट देईल असे वाटते का. तर कुठेतरी चांगुलपणा जो आहे तो पेरला जावा आणि त्या माध्यमातून आपण आपलं चांगलं भविष्य जे आहे ते घडवू शकतो असा आशावाद जो आहे तो ह्या कवितेच्या माध्यमातून कवीने आपल्याला व्यक्त केलेला आहे. नाऊ लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ आवर नेक्स्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटी, ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग ॲक्टिव्हिटी. Discuss with your friend how he or she spent the whole day that has beneficial. Now, in what way you spend your day? Discuss with your friend how she or he spent the whole day that was beneficial to others. How can you spend? Next activity A2. Was it well or surely spent? Explain the meaning and give illustrations. As you close your eyes in slumber, do you think that God would say, you have earned one tomorrow by the work you did today? Elaborate the idea expressed in these lines. That means here both the questions are having personal response question. But let us start with what is the content part of this poem, and let us start with A1. Discuss with your friend how she or he spent the whole day that was beneficial for others. Now there are so many things you can do for the beneficial for other. For example, I took tuitions for the slum children who stayed close by. I attended the 2-year-old baby of my neighbor as she had to go to buy vegetables urgently. I help poor and needy people. I help a handicapped person to cross the road. I read the newspaper to my grandmother as she found it difficult to read the small scripts. There are so many activities you can do for the beneficial for the other, and in this way we shall also keep them happy. So there are so many activities you can choose yourself and do happiness for others. Now A2. Was it well or surely spent? Explain the meaning of given illustration. Was it well or sorely spent? Explain the meaning and give illustrations. Here in the line, the speaker states that any day not spent, at least in part. Improving the lives of others is wasted. It is lost if it is sorely, that is badly spent. On the other hand, it can be used for the benefit of the person who is the sole authority to be the reason for kindness or unhappiness of another person. For example, if I am unhappy with my friend for some reason, I can make him or her understand the reason for my unhappiness in a nice way rather than spoiling the day fighting with each other. In this way, uh, it was well spent for me. Third activity, as you close your eyes in slumber, do you think that God would say, you have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today? Elaborate the idea expressed in these lines. Now, what does the poet want to tell us? Here, in this line, the poet suggested to the readers or audience that in case they could not make out or they were not sure how their day was spent, they should close their eyes before sleep and think about the way they had passed the day. They could assess their own performance. If after assessment the reader was confident of a positive response from God, then he would be sure to earn his tomorrow as a gift from God. Otherwise, God might take his own decision about the reader's action or inaction, and tomorrow might not be ensured. That means your action is important, and your good action can give good satisfaction. Your bad action can give you bitter experience of your future. In this way, as you sow, so shall you reap. Uh, this concept can be um, elaborated here by the poet. Next, the poet suggests that one should be good to others. Complete the table by giving examples of doing good in following people: family members, friends, neighbors. The poet suggests that one should do good to others. Complete the table by giving examples of doing good to following people: family members, friends, and neighbor. What kind of goodness you do for your family member, your friends, and your neighbors? For our family member, we help our mother in household work. Uh, for friend, we help our friend in need. We give our homework notebook, or we give any kind of favor to our friend. For neighbors, we help during their medical need. Second, family members. We give company to the elderly members of our family. We help our grandfather or grandmother also. We give, in friend's case, we give moral support to our friend when he or she is upset. Neighbors, maintain good relationship with neighbors, help each other, cooperate each other, sympathize with each other, and in this way we maintain relationship with our neighbors. That means good thing always useful in our life, for family members, for friends, and for neighbors also. A3. Pick out the describing words from the poem and add a noun of your own. One is done for you. Toiling, time. Toiling, time. Pick out describing words from the poem and add a noun of your own. One is done for you. Toiling, time. Toiling, time. Now here, cheerful, cheerful, cheerful face. Rejoicing, rejoicing nature. Kindly, kindly gesture. Churlish, churlish behavior. Single, single solution. Cheerful, rejoicing, kindly, churlish, single, cheerful face, rejoicing.